Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. So today we are talking about this artist known as Naiboy. On his Instagram page, guys, he went ahead and stated that all ever I wanted is to release music to my fans. And najua mafans wanashanga what's up. My hands are tied for almost 2 years now. I'm tired of being at mercy na hawa say I think I have to get serious lawyers. So guys, here he goes ahead saying pray for me. I keep everything to myself but imefika mwisho. I love so much music. It hurts me. I have over 800 songs and I can't release even a single one. So guys, what are your thoughts about this? Naiboy amekuwa amenyamaza for quite a while. Watu wa mafans mnashangaa ni kwa nini? So today amewambia the reason as to why. So guys, what do you think about this? What are your thoughts about this? What are your views about this? So guys, consider praying for him. As he said, pray for him. Let's pray for the better to come. Let's pray for a better day for him. As he said, like, my hands are tied more for 2 years now. Let's pray for him, guys. Kindly subscribe, leave a comment down there, like, share.